Alright guys, good morning. So another day in Oman. Today is officially my 4th day and I am with Khalil.
Yes, Omani 100%.
Yeah, you look great with that.
Thank you very much indeed.
Okay, so today we are going to Nizwa and it's a guided tour I have taken. I'll tell you guys more about the tour towards the end. Nizwa used to be the former capital.
400 years ago.
Yeah, so it's a long day. 2 घंटे लगेंगे from Muscat to Nizwa पहुंचने में. Then we have the fort and we have the souks and then so many other things. Excited. And Khalil, Khalil looks like a good company.
Thank you.
What do you have to say about Indian tourists?
Welcome to Oman.
Oh, no, in general, like when they come here, do you like them or you?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
When I said welcome to Oman,
Welcome to Oman.
invest Oman.
Yeah.
Visit us every year. Yeah. Oman opens
Yeah.
gates, doors, and windows for everybody. But before the Harmendra Amitabh Bachchan, Amjad Khan
Amjad Khan, okay.
and Muqaddar Ka Sikandar عندها قانون many films. Time.
Okay, Khalil, one question for you.
Yes, please.
So everywhere I go, I learn to say I love you in that local language.
Yeah.
How do we say in Oman?
أحبك. I love you.
Uh-huh.
أحبك.
Ahobbak.
Pyar.
Pyar, mohabbat. Ahobbak.
أحبك. I love you.
That's very sweet and small. Ahobbak.
أحبك.
And I hate you is how? I hate you.
أكرهك.
Agrahak. Abohak, agrahak.
أحبك very easy to say, but أكرهك is
Aggressive.
aggressive. That's right.
Okay.
And some people they don't say أحبك, I love you, just like that. And
Okay.
and I hate you.
Chaddo.
You don't have to say. Sometimes some
Yeah.
people they don't like to say.
Yeah. So abohak and abrahak.
أحبك
Ahobbak.
and أكرهك.
Agrahak.
أكرهك.
Okay.
I hate you. أكرهك.
I am gonna say this for the people of Oman in general. Ahobbak.
أحبك.
Okay. Oh wow. Ah,
If you would like to drink some coffee.
इनका नाम खलील है, आपका क्या नाम?
ये शेख खलील, हमारा अब्दुल मजीद।
ओके.
हाँ.
और गाइस, सो अभी हम लोग एक सूक में आए हैं. सो सूक अब तक तो आपको पता चल ही गया होगा. बेसिकली द मार्केट्स, लोकल मार्केट्स, हाट बाज़ार टाइप कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट होता है. तो अभी हम जिस मार्केट में हैं, दिस इज़ कॉल्ड डेट सूक. सो इस तरह से यहाँ पे गोल्ड सूक होता है. देन यू हैव डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ सूक. They look so rich actually. This is, I don't know price. Okay, this is 1 riyal I guess. Dates 1 riyal. 250 रुपये यार, बहुत ही सस्ता है फिर तो. I love this postcard. Traditional camel show.
Fresh dates.
This is a fresh one.
Yeah.
Fresh dates, okay. This is how it looks, straight from the trees?
Yes.
How long does it take to grow this?
3 months.
3 months?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I eat this one?
Yes. This is with tahina. You can eat also.
Oh my god, this is so tasty.
You have to drink it hot, not cold, like
Okay.
tea.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So after having dates, you have to have coffee.
Yes.
Okay,
You
I'll
have
try.
to drink, yes.
Yeah.
Not Turkish, not any.
So in Oman, after having dates, they have to have coffee so that it can balance. It helps in digestion and also it tastes really good. Let me try. I tried dates. I'm gonna have one more. I've never tried dates and coffee together. Definitely, it tastes really good. It's like a sweetness of dates and little good bitterness of coffee blended together.
Also, this one you try with some.
Yeah, it tastes good. Okay, after the date souk, we are going to this Halwa Al Saifi. Basically, it's a sweet market. Dates try किया, coffee try किया, बहुत मज़ा आया. Now let's go and try halwa.
Omani halwa with white sugar, brown sugar, ghee, water, nuts, starch, cardamom, saffron.
Okay, so this here in my hand, it's Omani halwa. और यहाँ पे वो आपको try करने भी देते हैं. So let's try this. This one has got saffron. It's good, but I don't like sweets, and it's too sweet for me. This one is slight bit better than the other one. Yeah, this one has got walnut in it.
So we are taking like this.
Okay.
After that, by right hand, take that.
Okay. So you eat it with right hand only.
Not
Oh, got it. Thank you for explaining that. Okay, so there is a way to even eat this halwa. Learned it today. Thank you. So now we have entered a craft souk and इतनी सारी pottery वगैरह रखी हुई है यहाँ पे. Let me tell you this thing, I have not been to many countries yet. Oman is my 10th country, but I can say this, that this is the most stunning country I have been to. Like every corner is beautiful here. Like आप souk में घूमो, बाहर का landscape देखो, and more than anything else, the people here are amazing. I totally recommend that you come to Oman. But mind you, it's not a very budget destination like how everybody is promoting it. Mid-budget to high budget. Khalil, I want you to talk about the concept of souk, how it came into existence, if there's any history of that.
They said that's why Persian era.
Okay,
They said that. All right, look at the wall here. And it's made from shoots and roots of trees.
okay. Not that this souk, but just the concept of souk in overall Oman.
Yeah.
How old it is? From Persia's
Yeah,
time?
some of them.
Persians.
Yeah, they stayed here for 100.
So even locals come here at the souk for shopping?
Yes, even me. I brought my family from my town
Okay.
to buy something. I have been to the
souks even in Muscat, but I guess Nizwa का souk ना काफ़ी ज़्यादा better और amazing है. It is still very raw and it will give you better idea about the culture of Oman. गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा होती है यहाँ पे, but souks के अंदर, market के अंदर there is AC. But this is the open souk. और इससे पहले मैं जहाँ पे थी that was the covered one. तो वहाँ पे AC वैसी सब कुछ था, but this one is pretty open. So yeah, just keep yourself hydrated, put a cap or a hat and enjoy this experience. So we have entered Nizwa Fort. So this is the ticket and we paid 5 riyal each for this, and there is also private tour. Private tour का 10 Omani riyal है, VIP tour का 15. This one is normal 5 riyal, which is 1250 rupees. I had heard so much about it. This is my second fort in Oman. So first one I visited was Matra Fort. This is Nizwa Fort. ऐसा कहते हैं कि Matra Fort is nice, but it's still, if you want to see the traditional and cultural side of Oman in its very raw form, then Nizwa Fort is the perfect place. Chalo, let's start. We will take a tour here. Okay, inside the Nizwa Fort only, I'm seeing one lady making a traditional bread of Oman. It's called rigag. Let me turn the camera and show you. Oh wow!
Und gemacht. Ich habe das geschaut. Ich glaube, jetzt gibt es dann Ei drauf. Kann auch ohne Ei das nicht machen.
Smells so much like dosa and looks like dosa. So she's putting the cheese on top of it, and here goes the famous Omani chips. It's a very important ingredient there. This looks so much like dosa with cheese and chips. I'm gonna try it later. First, let's take a Omani roti. First, let's take the tour of the fort and then we can try. It's called rigag. I forgot to tell you.
خیال کردم در آغوشی تو بودم وی سراسی مومت هوشی تو بودم.
So this fort was built around 16th century and it took 12 years to build this fort. It's a must visit place when you are in Nizwa. Quite the character. I've never seen anything like this. It's like they have preserved it in a way that it looks very, very, very. Okay, Khalil.
Yes.
Has this fort been restored also? When was it built?
Yes. It was built in 1469. I said that for you, and restored by the late Sultan 5 years ago. But not all. Some
Parts of it.
Yes, some parts. Very important parts.
Okay, and what is the main difference between this fort and the one in Muscat?
Because this is Omani who made it, the leadership Omani leader. But that Portuguese who made it, that was I think in 14th, like that 16th. Yeah.
So this is older than Muscat Fort.
Of course.
Okay. Women's silver wealth identity. So in Oman, men do not wear gold?
No, it's not allowed. Taboo for us.
So women can wear silver and gold
Yes,
both,
silver,
but
yeah.
men can wear only silver.
Only silver.
Okay, even now.
Even now, yes. See, look, silver ring.
Okay. And what is the importance of this turquoise
This is
stone?
turquoise, and some of them akik
Okay.
for luck.
For good luck.
Yeah, for good luck.
Okay.
And also for decorations. Too. Yeah, with the
You are well decorated. So in Oman, men do not wear gold at all. So women can wear gold and silver both, but men can only wear silver. So these kind of jewelry, men and women both of them can wear. निज़वा फोर्ट के अंदर जो ये म्यूज़ियम टाइप की जगह है ना, आपको 100% घूमना चाहिए, क्योंकि ओमान एक काफ़ी अलग तरह की कंट्री और हमको बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ हिस्ट्री यहाँ के बारे में पता नहीं है. तो entering this museum and taking a guided tour, you will get to learn so much. And I feel जहाँ जाते हो उस जगह के बारे में सीखना जानना काफ़ी ज़रूरी होता है. That's the true essence of traveling. That's what I believe. तो आपको भी ये टूर करना है निज़वा का, तो मैं एंड में डिटेल्स बता दूँगी सारी, and then you can book. Alright guys, so from Nizwa we have come to Jabal Akhtar. It's a mountain area और यहाँ तक आने की जो ड्राइव थी ना, that was totally like at some point I was feeling कि मैं लद्दाख में ही घूम रही हूँ. But yeah, it was amazing to see the mountains and this is a cold area. So निज़वा में इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी थी और अचानक से हम 2500 मीटर एलिवेशन पे हैं, तो it's pretty cold here. Look at this. So this is also a hill station in Oman, you can say that, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ठंड काफ़ी होती है. So मस्कट से यहाँ तक the elevation is 2500 something. मतलब आपको context देती हूँ कि शिमला से थोड़ा कम elevation है. But yeah, suddenly I feel the cold, like ठंडी ठंडी हवा. It's feeling nice, but मुझे ठंड लग रही है. And the view of the mountain, it's amazing. And yeah, locals also come here to enjoy the view of the mountains or do campings. और बहुत अच्छे अच्छे रिजॉर्ट्स हैं यहाँ पे, तो आप चाहो तो जबल अख्तर रुक भी सकते हो, बट फॉर मी डे टूर वाज सफिशिएंट. यू नो इट्स सो नाइस, लाइक थोड़े डिस्टेंस पे ना यू हैव डिफरेंट लैंडस्केप हियर. लाइक मस्कट सिटी इज़ लाइक अ प्रॉपर सिटी. निज़वा वाज मोर ऑफ अ कल्चरल थिंग एंड देन जबल अख्तर इट्स ऑल माउंटेन. यहाँ तक आने का रास्ता भी प्रॉपर रॉकी माउंटेन वाला. यहाँ से हम एक और विलेज में जा रहे हैं, तो ये पूरी की पूरी टूर मैंने क्लब के साथ बुक की है. जब टूर ख़त्म होगा तो आई विल गिव यू गाइज मोर डिटेल्स अबाउट इट. इस कंट्री में सब कुछ है और 5 से 6 दिनों के अंदर यू कैन सी लिटरली एवरीथिंग. Okay guys, so we have entered a village here and you know how this village is? It looks like बहुत ही पुराने टाइम के जो गांव नहीं होते थे, मिट्टी का घर and all. It's very beautiful. मतलब मैं कैसी कैसी जगहों पे आ गई हूँ यहाँ ओमान में, मैं बिलीव भी नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. That is why it is very important to take the guided tour. So the name of this village is Barkat Almoz. Basically यहाँ पे बनाना प्लांटेशन बहुत ज़्यादा है एंड अभी तो फ़िलहाल मुझे पाम ट्रीज दिख रहे हैं बहुत ज़्यादा. So with this, my tour to Nizwa, Jabal Akhtar and also this particular village is over. I did all my tour with Klook. Also I feel as a woman traveler there is so much that go in our head, safety being the biggest concern. So I felt totally safe. It was so much fun and Okay guys, so I'm back from Nizwa, and yesterday actually when I was returning I got so tired I could not give you guys a proper review of the tour I did. So I did Wadi Shab and also Nizwa day tour. Jabal Akhtar was included in that with Klook. It was a very well curated trip and the driver was very good. You guys already saw मैंने कितनी ज़्यादा उनसे comfortably बातें करी. Food was included and as a vegetarian also I did not have any issue. They gave us water. Overall a very well curated trip. In case you would like to do any of these trips, you can do it with Klook, and I'm going to leave a discount code here, and I totally recommend that you try these experiences and activities in Oman. वैसे तो यहाँ पे करने को बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, बट मेरे पास एक लिमिटेड बजट भी था और टाइम भी, तो आई थॉट कि ऐसी कौन कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जो मैंने पहले नहीं की हैं, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई ऑप्टेड फॉर निज़वा एंड वादी शब. ओवरऑल वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस. एंड अभी मैं यहाँ से शॉपिंग करने जा रही हूँ और शॉपिंग का मैं एक सेपरेट व्लॉग दिखाऊंगी आप लोगों को, क्योंकि मुझे अपना पता है एक बार मैं मॉल में घुस गई तो मैं पागल हो जाऊँगी. सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू गो एंड शॉप. और इसके अलावा इस व्लॉग से रिलेटेड कुछ भी क्वेरी हो या चीज़ें जो मैं इस व्लॉग में बताना मिस कर चुकी हूँ, तो प्लीज़ फील फ्री टू राइट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो. और सेंसिबल क्वेश्चंस हुए तो मैं डेफिनेटली आंसर करूँगी. Okay guys, so yeah, having fun in Oman, couple of days more, and let's see how it goes. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Until then.